Moving forward, another Mendelian disorder, that is sickle cell anemia. It is an autosomal linked recessive trait. If both parents are carriers, the disease is transmitted to the offspring. It affects both male and females equally. The disease is controlled by a single pair of allele, hemoglobin A and hemoglobin S. Out of the three possible genotype, that is hemoglobin AA, hemoglobin AS and hemoglobin SS, only the homozygous individuals for hemoglobin S shows the diseased phenotype. Only that person shows the disease. The heterozygous individuals appears apparently unaffected, but they are carriers of diseases, as there is 50% possibility of transmission of mutant gene to the progeny, thus exhibiting the sickle cell trait. The defect is caused by the single base substitution at the sixth codon of the beta chain of hemoglobin from GAG to GUG. This leads to the substitution of glutamic acid by valine. GAG, that is the codon for glutamic acid, when it is changed to GUG, the amino acid is changed to valine. This mutant or defective hemoglobin molecule undergo polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing sickle-shaped RBCs. I repeat, the sickle cell anemia is due to point mutation, a single base pair change leading to a change in an amino acid. It is an autosomal disorder. Actually, the defective gene is present in the 11th chromosome. The female parent passes on the disorder to male or female progeny in equal frequency, and father also passes on the disorder to the male and female progeny. Actually, it is a qualitative problem where the defective hemoglobin, that is non-functional, is synthesis. Okay. Next one, phenylketonuria. It is an inborn error of metabolism caused due to autosomal recessive gene. The defective gene is present on the 12th pair of chromosome. It is due to mutation in the gene that codes for the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. This enzyme converts an amino acid phenylalanine to tyrosine. The affected individual lacks this enzyme. As a result, the phenylalanine accumulates and converts into phenyl pyruvic acid and other derivatives. The accumulation of these in brain result in mental retardation. These are also excreted through the urine because of its poor absorption by kidney. Thalassemia is an autosome-linked recessive blood disease. It is transmitted from unaffected carrier, heterozygous parent, to the offspring. It is due to mutation or deletion. It results in the reduced synthesis of one of the alpha or beta globin chain of hemoglobin. It forms abnormal hemoglobin and causes anemia. Actually, it is a quantitative problem. Here, the synthesis of globin molecule become affected. The alpha thalassemia, that is controlled by two closely linked genes, that is hemoglobin A1 and hemoglobin A2 on 16th chromosome. Mutation or deletion of one or more of the four genes cause the disease. The more gene affected, the less alpha globin molecules produced. In beta thalassemia, the production of beta globin chain is affected. It is controlled by a single gene, HBB, on chromosome 11 of the parent. The mutation of one or both the genes causes the disease. Color blindness is another Mendelian disorder. It is a sex-linked recessive disorder due to the defect in either red or green cones of eye. Actually, it is occupies in X chromosome. It results in failure to discriminate between red and green color. It is due to the mutation in some genes in X chromosome. It occurs in 80% of male and only 0.4% of female. This is due to the genes are X-linked. The normal allele is dominant. The recessive allele causes color blindness. So, the son of a heterozygous woman, that is a carrier, has 50% chance of being colorblind. On the other hand, a daughter will be colorblind only when her mother is at least a carrier and father is colorblind. Are similar in the case of hemophilia.